Good morning from Universal Studios.
Woohoo! Welcome to another vlog. Today we're going to be taking you around Universal Studios. My parents have actually joined us today. They don't like theme parks, but they've joined us, so we're hoping to have a very great day.
This is my first time to a theme park in America, basically, apart from Busch Gardens, but Universal is going to be amazing. We cannot wait.
Let's go!
So we're just walking down, what are we walking down? Do you know?
A street.
A street. We found Marilyn Monroe.
Yeah.
And a Blues Brother.
We're heading towards the Transformers ride to kickstart our day.
Because your parents like simulators.
Yeah, my parents are alright with simulators, so
let's see.
okay, so in Universal you can actually get a thing called the Attraction Assistance Pass, and this is if you have any reason why you can't queue. It's where you get, if the queue is less than 30 minutes, you get straight on the ride, and if it's over 30 minutes, you get a return time. So this is our little, we've got one, and you just have to go to guest services in the morning, and you say how many people are in your party, so they write that on the thing, and then you don't have to give any like legal proof. You just, in America you don't. You just have to explain why you would have trouble queuing.
So like cognitive difficulties or mobility
physical issues
or...
and then they fill out this thing and you can get straight on the rides if you have an issue queuing.
And if it's under 30 minutes, otherwise you get a return time.
So far it's been working really well for us. Like we've just had our first return time of the day for Transformers. It was a 35-minute queue, but they only gave us 15 minutes to wait on the return time, so we're just waiting for that at the minute. Are you ready for Transformers? How do you feel? Yeah. Are you excited? How do you feel about Transformers? Cool. Are you scared?
No.
No.
I gotta save the world.
Oh, okay. Get your glasses.
Attention all NEST personnel, good day recruits, and welcome to the NEST facility. In order to experience Transformers the Ride 3D, we ask that you be
Red button. Reset.
Okay, so we just went on Transformers. It was really good. We saved the planet, and now we're heading to the Gringotts ride. Are you excited?
We are. But we're not going on it yet.
But we are going into Diagon Alley.
Transformers.
I liked it. We saved the planet.
We did nothing. Inconvenience again. You were.
This is not the set of magic, Mike 3, alright? No wrong on camera. You better get that on camera. These two hands. Hey.
So in Universal, they have in that other park, Islands of Adventure, the Hogwarts and Hogsmeade. So that was the original Harry Potter land that was created. But then a few years later they created the London Diagon Alley, King's Cross area. So we're now heading to that, and the Gringotts ride is great, so I'm really excited for it. Rhys has never been on it, he's never seen, I think the King's Cross and like the looking like London, I think they've done it really well.
Yeah, let's see.
Let's see. Didn't have a pen, so we just got straight on. You excited?
Very.
You excited, Connor?
Oh yeah, I'm very excited.
We got my parents on it. There they are. Are you excited, Dad?
Oh yes.
Are you excited, Mum? I don't know. You don't know? We just did Gringotts. What did you think, Rhys?
Really good. It's like half simulator, half ride. It was really good. Although, I mean, one thing with Universal, they tell you that you've done a good job and that you've, oh, well done, you've saved the world and all of that. And every single opportunity, you do nothing. You sit on a train and you go, woo. So that's a bit patronising, I think.
Well, you've heard it here first, guys. We're just going on the Rip Ride Rocket, which is the big ride. And then afterwards, we've just been on the Mummy, and we finally convinced my dad to join us on the Mummy. How are you feeling?
Excited.
What's your lowdown on the Rip Ride Rocket?
Best ride here.
So good, really
good.
What music did you listen to?
I listened to Casey and the Sunshine Band. What was it? Oh, we just sang it.
Oh, we just did it.
Connor, what was the song we were just singing? What on the ride? Yeah.
We've just been on the ride and we forgot. No.
That's the way.
That's the way I like it.
And
yeah.
then I also listened to ZZ Top. No, something about love. Give me all your lovin'. Give me all your lovin'.
You've just given me 3 songs.
So, Casey and the Sunshine Band.
Oh, you knew. Oh, okay. And then I did That's the Way I Like It and I Will Survive. Connor loved it too. We got the front row both times.
It was incredible.
And now we're taking my dad on the Mummy. How are you feeling about the Mummy, kid?
Oh, excited.
Excited. He doesn't like rides. We went on the Mummy. Did you like it?
Love the Mummy again. Very fun.
Oh. Did you like the Mummy?
Which Mummy?
That one.
The ride.
Yes, it's fine.
Fine.
He showed
he
no
emotion, and he just
all.
had his hands like, do what his hands were like, just like this the whole time. Very strange. He was hanging on. next ride, it's the Men in Black, which is a shooter, and it's great. Next up, the Simpsons ride. Are you excited?
Is he excited?
Are you excited for the Simpsons ride? Especially requested by the father.
Have we got the pass?
Yeah.
I am here much longer it is, so I'm here to entertain you. I'm Itchy and Scratchy.
How was the Simpsons?
Not my favourite.
I love the Simpsons.
25 minutes.
Adventure, which is very similar to the Peter Pan ride.
In Disney.
You visit E.T.'s planet and there's even a baby E.T. Are you excited, Mama? Yeah.
Keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Always remain seated while the vehicle is in motion. For the courtesy of the...
Tonight we've just got back from the parks and we're heading to the pool. Then after we've gone for a swim, oh, Rhys is getting some ice. We're gonna go for a swim, which will take you along with us, obviously. And then afterwards, what we're gonna do? We'll give a tour of the hotel because it's really amazing. We're staying in the Cabana Bay Beach Resort. So when my family used to come to Orlando, we would always go to Cape Coral and then we'd come to Orlando for a couple of days, and we'd usually stay in a villa. But then we discovered this Cabana Bay Beach Resort and it's incredible. It's got everything you need. It's just as great as a villa. So, and you get buses to the parks, which is great if not everybody in your party likes parks. So now we're gonna head to the pool. They actually have a lazy river as well. So it's just gonna be a fun night. We've had a long day and now I think we're gonna have a long night.
I've never known a love so steady.
I'm going on my back.
Even gold won't turn your tide. We flow together like an ocean, every low and every high. And I would have you anyway,
It costs money to
anyway your
get
heart
the inflatables, so we're just lying down and floating.
even if you had to leave me, I'd always be waiting here. Even when we are apart, I will keep you in my heart. And I wouldn't change a thing, even if I were the king.
And then this is the main pool. It's really nice and warm.
It's really warm.
That's all. So there's
Building?
4 buildings.
There's the Continental, the Americana,
And then there's 2 on the other side, which we'll show you later.
So in the pool every single night of the week. So you can just watch Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle, fabulous film. And it's just a great little thing for if after you've been to the parks, you just come here, have a little chill in the pool. They've got a restaurant there.
The hideaway.
What more could you want?
I will love you just the same, and I wouldn't change a thing, even if I were the king.
And then if you awkwardly cross the lobby in your swim stuff, you get to the other side, which has another pool, also 3 more buildings, Castaway, Thunderbird and Starlight. And somewhere here, which we will show you, is a slide. Oh, there it is. Let's hop on the slide. And then on this side, they play a kids film on the lawn. So it looks like they're playing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You've never been down a slide? Wow. Not even in Fast Matter? Yeah, really? Not even Water World.
Traveling around the world, my feet will tell me where to go. I'm not afraid to step outside, see the world for what it is now.
Right, so that was first ever water slide done. Now we're I know, right? Now we're doing it again. So that should be really fun. I've got you in cinematic mode, so it may look especially good this time. How was yours, Connor? Fantastic, better than all the rides in the parks combined. Get yourselves to Cabana Bay and get on that slide.
Ain't no place I'd rather be instead. Sometimes I feel alone and know it's me and my guitar, looking up at darling stars, singing where we supposed to go now.
There's also, of course, a little kids water park play area thing. And cabanas, because it's the Cabana Bay Hotel, so obviously you can rent a cabana. Connor's great at knowing the words.
Just like you, Meg.
Me. They do a gluten-free brownie. I really hope it's available, and I'm gonna crumble the brownie on top. What have you gone for?
Chicken tenders and chips.
Nice. So they have loads of different selections. It's a bit like a food court. And then I went for froyo because we've not long. Our lunch was quite late. And then I got I got this gluten-free brownie and crumbled it in.